Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking it down step by step on how you can use Runway Act 2, which is a newly launched feature on Runway to animate anything. So if there's a specific motion you want to add, hand gesture, or any specific type of movement, you no longer have to fill in long prompts. Instead, you can do this with the help of Runway Act 2 because Act 2 gives you the ability to have the animation or whatever you're creating to replicate the movement that you are doing. So whether it is a movement from a vlog, and you can create things like this where it looks very unrealistic, but it was able to capture this directly from our original video. So let's get started and let's take a look at how we can do this as well. Now, to get started with this, simply head on over into your Runway account and you're going to need to sign up to at least the standard plan. We're going to be discussing pricing at the end, but monthly billing on the standard starts at $15 per month. So just click on subscribe now to subscribe to the standard plan of Runway. Once you do that, you're going to proceed. So moving on, we are going to head on over into our sessions on the left where it says start a session. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to see your image options and then you can click on video. So you want to click on video over here. Once you click on video, you will see the ability to change the model from the bottom left. So you can see previous models. You also have Gen 4 and Gen 4 Turbo. Now you can choose whichever one you prefer, whether it's Gen 4 or Gen 4 Turbo. Gen 4 Turbo is just a bit more efficient and a bit quicker, whereas Gen 4 is more controllable and more consistent. Once you do that, it says prompt. So instead of prompt, you're going to select Act 2. And then over here in Act 2, you have to add two things. The driving performance, which is going to be the place where the voice, gesture, and facial expression will be replicated from, and then you choose your character. So you can record the gestures or the driving performance right now, or you can click on select asset. Once you do that, you can click on drag and drop and you can upload your own video. You can even record your video, and this is really great, especially when you're trying to create those really dynamic movements in characters and cartoons. If you want to show things like a specific handshake or any type of signature style that a character might have. Now you can really easily create those and replicate those via a singular clip that you have recorded by yourself, because you can just record the movement by yourself and just have the AI be replicating it for you, for your character. So right now it is detecting the face, and this can take upwards of 30 seconds. And this is my video. It is of a woman blowing a kiss towards the screen like so. It's a cute little video. Now after that, I can choose my character that I want to animate. I can click on examples to take a look at their example characters, and I can use one of their example characters as well. Or if you want, you can click on select asset, click on upload, and you can upload your own character as well. I'm going to upload a small picture, a cartoon character that I created, and I want the cartoon character to display this kind of emotion and movement. So I'm going to add the face of the cartoon character. Once we do that, we are going to click on crop to crop it to a supported aspect ratio. And I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds for this to be completed. And once we do that, we're going to go on ahead and then just click on generate. Now, keep in mind, you're going to see the number of credits it's going to take. So if you hover your cursor over here, you can see the number of credits. And one other thing to note is that you can rename the untitled session, because sometimes this can take a little longer to generate your actual video. So having it under a title makes it easier to find. It's under your sessions folder, and then within your sessions folder, you can proceed. So this is an 8-second video, and it's going to be the same length as the driving video, and it's going to cost you 40 credits. Now, depending on how long your driving video is, the image generation or the video generation or the image to video is going to cost you accordingly. So right now we're just going to click on generate, and now this has become in queue. So this is going to start up, and then after that it is going to proceed. It can take a few seconds. It usually does not take too long. It usually takes around 2 minutes to 5 minutes depending on how long your video is. So until our video is created, we can go back ahead and work on our other projects as well. So if you're working on multiple projects, you can, view other things and explore other things within Runway as well. However, However, I'm going to show you guys a bit more of a detailed breakdown into the pricing of Runway. So currently I have the standard plan at $15 per user per month. A maximum of 5 users can be added per workspace, which gives us access to unlimited video editor project, 100 gigabytes of asset storage, no rate restrictions, and I can buy more credits, watermark removal, generative video Gen 4, Act 2, Gen 3 Alpha, as well as all video models have an upscaled resolution. And this includes 625 credits monthly. Now, after that, there's the Pro plan. The Pro plan is $35 per user per month, which creates custom voices for lip syncing and text-to-speech with 100 gigabytes of asset storage. Then you have the Unlimited plan at $95 per user per month, where you can explore more with unlimited generations, although all of these unlimited generations are on the relaxed rate, which means that they might take slightly longer for you to create. Now, is this a reasonable price? This is definitely a reasonable price, and you can even get a 20% discount if you opt for yearly billing. This just is going to be pretty reasonable considering how expensive other AI tools are with video creation. They do give you a decent amount of credit that you can use. The Pro plan has 2250 credits, and the Unlimited also has 2250 credits. So you can use those credits, and if you feel like it is not fulfilling your needs, you can always purchase more instead of having to upgrade every so often. If you need a few credits extra, you can purchase those instead of upgrading your entire plan. Now let's take a look at our video and where it has reached. So we can go into sessions over here, and within our session we have our video. Now from here, this is the asset. This is recently created, and now we can take a look at our video, and this is how it looks. So it is replicating the overall smile and the characteristics of my original video pretty accurately. And if you want, you can go back and go into your folder and view your project. And within your project, you can, further see how, if you want to make any changes or if you want to optimize it in any way, you can do that as well. Now, once you create your video, this is within sessions. Within sessions, this is my video that I've created. So I can click on the video and then click on download on the top right to download my video. You can also download this as a GIF if you want. You can also send feedback, and you can see on the bottom right, you have the ability to click on reuse prompt and settings. So you can use the same settings, the same prompt, and then proceed with a completely new video that you might be creating. So this is good, especially if you're trying to build, test around and play around with some of their innovative tools. And just like so, you're able to create movements in characters and animate your characters using Act 2. The best part is that if you're looking for any certain gesture like this one, you can easily find this on royalty-free websites, or you can even just record the clip yourself. And this is something that has endless possibilities if you have the unique take on it. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to animate your characters with Act 2. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below which one of Runway's features have you been loving the most.